I love food. You love food. Who doesn't love fresh, decadent, well-made food and creative drinks?
Run that blade right over.
Let's get sweet.
Foraging for fiddleheads.
Good food and drinks keep us going. They're so much more than fuel. They're social, means of sharing and creative expression, and they bring us together in a cultural and memorable experience.
Custom fortune cookies, hot sauce, dill pickles.
This is awesome. I'm Ryan Scott, Vermonter, gardener, hobby maple farmer, and food and drink fanatic.
Look at that.
Please join me for regular recipes, tips, and a whole lot of fun. Please subscribe and feel free to like and comment.
Apple massue.
Just a tip. Thanks for checking out Cooking with Scuttle.
Enjoy.
Feel free to watch and try my various food and drink recipes.
I can't wait to try it out.
Loaded with entrees, tips, desserts, cocktails, and
food porn.